First tonight, Leander ISD says it is investigating the spread of COVID-19 among its campuses and trying to figure out if any classrooms need to be sent home to learn virtually. In a letter to parents, the district told families it would not follow a Williamson County health recommendation to close the district for 10 days. KXAN's Alex Capriello spoke to parents who feel there is some mixed messaging from the district. Some wonder if it really has their kids' best interests at heart.
Parents are getting pretty ugly and emotional.
It's quite concerning. We want our kid back at school. We just want it to be as safe as possible.
High emotions from parents at LISD. Some people see the 425 confirmed cases since school started in panic. Others view it as just a small fraction of the 42,000 student population.
COVID, the people we were around were wearing masks. The people we were around were vaccinated. But here we are, we're still sick with COVID.
Lori Case and her 5 kids have been bedridden with COVID for 12 days. She believes getting sick is inevitable, and all you can do is what's best for your family.
As long as we're being mindful enough to pay attention to kids that are having symptoms or ourselves that are having symptoms, what else can we really ask to do?
Carrie and Diane Rosker think there's a lot more to be done at school, like eliminating the opt-out option for masks.
He went to school that day and he said, "Mom, 50+% of kids are not wearing masks."
The district says it's trying to reinforce masks as much as possible, but won't be disciplining students. They'll keep campuses open to provide education, meals, and counseling, but will notify families directly if classrooms will transition to virtual. One mom hopes the district will ask for help if it continues to get worse.
I think there's a lot of concerned parents out there that would be willing to step into that spot and support the schools.
Alex Capriello, KXAN News.
So what happens if a classroom needs to go virtual to prevent the spread of COVID? They will enter what the Texas Education Agency calls remote conferencing. Students will have to either have a doctor's note, have tested positive, or have been in close contact with someone who has COVID. They will receive instruction from their teacher and cannot do this for more than 20 days in the year. If all those conditions are met, the TEA will not penalize a school district in state funding. Some school districts in Texas have already closed due to outbreaks of COVID-19. Kemp ISD, about 45 minutes southeast of Dallas, will close for the rest of the week starting tomorrow. Today, Woden ISD in Nacogdoches County also announced it was canceling classes for the rest of the week, as is Hughes Springs ISD. Just last week, Ira and Sheffield ISD in West Texas decided to close for 2 weeks, and Wascom ISD in East Texas reopened today after closing for a week.